Dude, I'm always disappointed when you pick up because I know you're alive. You didn't go in yet.
Dude, it's coming soon.
Coming soon to a town near you. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to switch up a little bit. We're here at the house now, and this, if you're unfamiliar, is my house. And it's in the process of being constructed, as you can tell. We're doing all of the work ourselves. We built this completely ourselves, Kaylin and I. My girlfriend poured this foundation, stacked these rocks. That's going to be a different channel someday, so stay tuned. We're calling it Alpine Offline. But anyway, now we're going to head south to escape this winter. Well, by we, I mean just you and whoever's watching. Kaylin's staying behind. She's got work, and I got play to do. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to get into some base jumping, some sick wingsuit flights, hopefully, and Moab, Utah, as I do every year. I'm going to show you guys kind of the drive down the mountain because it is pretty gnarly. That's why I got the Jeep. Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun on this trip. Stay tuned. There's my truck. There's my plow truck. So I got the plow truck, the truck. I got the bus up there. Now I got the Jeep. Check this bad boy out. Yeah. Got the Exile base. If you're wondering, Exile is my canopy company. We make parachutes, and that's what we're gonna be jumping on this trip. Granted, they're still in the prototyping phase, so you know, there's room for improvement, but so far so good. Having a lot of fun on them. Let's go down south. I was so tired, I didn't even update you. But we are headed now to the bridge, Twin Falls, Idaho, the only legal bridge to base jump year round in the US. The United States of America. Don't expect too much nar. We're just gonna get some fun. Fun jumps in quick, nothing cray-cray. Did I even speak in English just now? I'm a little rusty. I haven't been base jumping too often. I've been working on the house so much. But yeah, I'm happy with the jumps here. 3 jumps done. And I gotta get some miles behind me because I got a 6-hour drive tonight down south. Hopefully get a wingsuit base jump in tomorrow morning. We got a beautiful day ahead of us. Weather's cooperating. And you remember how I talked to Arius last?
I'm trying to help my friend like mount these solar panels.
He was like, yeah, I can't go. I got plans and they're more important than base jumping. Well, last night, 20 minutes before I was entering the mountain and was gonna lose cell service, I get a call. And to my disappointment, it was Arius. Now we got him right here.
Hey, baby!
Yeah, buddy!
I'm excited to sludge through 3.5 feet of snow at the top.
It'll be good. Go. We made it. We're gonna stick to the safer ledge down here because there's no gap. I'm rusty. We're gonna try to do a 2-way. I'm gonna follow him off. That was sick! Woo! What a sick flight! Oh my goodness. Aren't you glad you came now? That was cool. That was cool. All right, guys, now we're headed to another wingsuit base jump. It's actually quite easy, a little safer, a little more margin. Well, actually that's super safe. So that was a chill one. Could not ask for better conditions besides trudging through thigh deep snow, but epic time. Stay tuned. Go check out Exile Base on Instagram if you want to see some more base jumping stuff. And yeah, it's about to get even more rowdy. Yeah! So, it's not how you land. I was supposed to turn around, land that way, but I pulled a little too low for that. That's the first time I jumped that exit. I've jumped this mountain before on the other side. Years ago, I had a line twist and almost hit the side of the cliff. Holy sh! So yeah, we're just gonna stay here with the group, hopefully tomorrow. And the next day the winds stay good. I'm hoping to get at least 2 more jumps off this thing. Stay tuned. Don't land like this at home, boys and girls. Yesterday was such an epic day. This trip has been just such a blast the whole time. And because we filmed way more than we expected to, I'm gonna have to end this video here and save the next portion of the trip for the next video. So we're headed to Moab. We're gonna do mostly slider down, base jumps there. But stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't already, and check back in 2 weeks for that video, because this is just the beginning. But either way, guys, thank you so much for watching. Go buy some merch. I'll put the link in the description below.